OMG Sports TV. So Leon Bailey, after confirmation, has officially signed a 3-year deal with Aston Villa. As you know, that was already expected. Also, we're going to discuss Al Grimson's plans for the Nation League and what he's doing right now with the continuation of the local domestic camp, which is very, very vital. Importantly, what is happening with the Reggae Boyz U20 preparation. Maybe John Wall can take a page or a small page out of Al Grimson's book. These are the topics I'll be discussing, people. Pick up on yourself every time, all the time. All right, big up on yourself, everybody. Big up on yourself all the time, every time. So we're going to touch on the Leon Bailey situation first. Definitely, this news article came out today surrounding Leon Bailey. Well, this is actually an article done by the Gleaner. And his agent, Craig Butler, would have officially confirmed the signature has been put to paper regarding the Leon Bailey deal. Pick up on yourself, everyone in the comment section. Massive respect. Studio Micah, big up yourself. Life with Dark Skin, big up yourself. Everyone, really appreciate it. Please, as you guys come in, please hit the like button. Thoroughly appreciate it if you guys do so. Let's get straight to the Leon Bailey situation. It's the first thing we want to touch on. As you can see, Leon Bailey jumping for joy. So this is what he said. This is the article. Let's get into it, people. Let's get into it. Leon Bailey's adopted father and agent, Craig Butler, has confirmed that the Jamaican international has reached a verbal agreement with English Premier League club Aston Villa on a new 3-year contract. Butler said the contract will also include an option to renew the agreement further down the line. You know, normally over in recent times, we tend to see that quite often, where they add an extra year just in case, in the event that he's performing well and reaching to the last 2 years of his contract. Then the clubs them tend to, when he reaches the last 2 years, that's the time period they tend to do renegotiate. In the event the player don't want to renegotiate, what they tend to do is activate that extra year that was put in the contract. Anyways, let's continue some of the details. The new contract, not a contract extension, which has been negotiated. Exactly. See that now, people? The new contract and not an extension. So it's brand new. Basically, new terms agreed, fresh payments, salary plan. Everything's brand new. Will be until 2027 with an option to renew. This contract comes on the back of Bailey's impressive form this season with the Birmingham-based club, as the winger has proven to be a reliable goal scorer for his team. With Aston Villa sitting fourth in the table, Bailey has contributed with 7 goals and 6 assists in 21 appearances, but only 10 starts. An overall return of 10 goals and 9 assists in 31 appearances in all competitions so far. That's 19 goal contribution in 31 appearances. People, that's crazy, you know. That is crazy. the boss is giving you a 1.2 goals or goals GA, I think they call it goals or assists per every 60 to 70 minutes of football played. That's normal. That's crazy. Permanent deal. Bailey joined Villa in a permanent deal from Germany. Bundesliga club Bayern Leverkusen back in 2021 and has seen a revival in form after the Jamaican had a slow start to life in England. During an injury-riddled campaign, Bailey would only hit the back of the net once in his first season in the Premier League. And during that time period, a lot of persons were saying, hey, they're ready for the league. They moved too early. I think Everton was linked with him at one point. But one thing for sure, Bailey never gave up. He did not give up. However, Butler said that despite Bailey's low output in his first season at Aston Villa, he had never lost faith in this player's ability to adapt to the Premier League. He's a fighter. The fact is, I've never wavered my confidence with my client, he said, many times throughout this period of time when Leon didn't perform at his best or got an injury. Many people would like to call him a flop. I remember distinctively standing up for him and saying that he will shine. And if you believe in someone, you never stop believing in them. Today, he has rewarded himself by putting in all the hard work. Craig Butler said, Aston Villa, my apologies. Aston Villa are currently in the race for an automatic qualifying spot for the UEFA Champions League. Butler believes Bailey will play an important role in the club's aspiration. Big up yourself, Leon Bailey. This is big. This is actually big news. Now, what I'm going to do, people, I'm going to play something for you guys here. I wanted to listen to what the manager of Aston Villa, Unai Emery, had to say about Leon Bailey. This is surrounding the contract negotiation. So give me a second. Let me just find that bit of details. I just find the video for the people so we can hear what the manager had to say. So here's it. So this is what Emery had to say about Leon Bailey. Listen up, people.
I want more. And we need more of you. And you have to be consistent. You have to try to be focusing more than you are doing because it's not enough.
So let me know if you're not here good, people. Let me know if you're not here good. Big up everybody in the comment section. Really appreciate it. Massive appreciation. Omar Fowling, big up yourself. Out everybody. Joel Smith, big up. Mr. United, no YouTube, no miss. Yeah, Mr. United, always there, man. Always present. So, guys, please don't forget to hit the like button. Please, guys, hit the like button. So, as you can hear, Unai Emery said, it demands more. Hey, Ronaldo Ashley, delete the comment there and retype it. Delete the comment there. Ronaldo Ashley, delete the comment there and retype it before somebody screenshot it. If you can edit it. Jadwa. Anyways, let me continue. As Unai said, it demands more. It needs more. This is what Unai Emery is saying regarding to Leon Bailey. Let's continue.
And his commitment, I think, improved.
Commitment improve.
His focus, working every day harder.
Working every day harder. Focus improve.
His way here, adding us his skills, scoring goals, assist, improves. And we decided more or less 1 month ago, he deserved to extend the contract.
All right, hear that? More or less. All right. So that is coming straight from the manager, Unai Emery, surrounding Leon Bailey's contract. Now, it's very important that we understand where all this is coming from, and that's the reason why I went all the way out to just get that clip so you guys can hear what's happening in the clip. And I think it's a good look.